Many popular back exercises can actually put your spine at risk if done incorrectly, or even when performed at all. Let's break down the most dangerous moves you should avoid to protect your back. First up, deadlifts with a rounded back. This mistake puts intense pressure on your spine and can lead to serious injury. Next, avoid twisting your torso while holding heavy weights. This movement can strain your discs and muscles, increasing the risk of herniation. Hyperextensions done too quickly or with excessive range can overstress the lower back and cause pain. Beware of behind the neck lat pull downs. This position forces your shoulders and spine into an unnatural angle, risking strain and injury. Lifting too much weight or using jerky, uncontrolled movements is a recipe for back problems. Even common exercises like sit-ups and toe touches can be risky if they cause your lower back to round or arch excessively. Watch out for machines or exercises that lock your spine in place. These can limit natural movement and increase injury risk. Remember, your back is vulnerable to poor technique and risky exercises. Avoid these moves to keep your spine safe. See you in the next one.